I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by making one notebook for the term and naming it clearly so you can find it fast. Create sections for each topic and add section groups for larger units. This keeps pages tidy. Once done, pick a simple page template for lecture notes and enable auto-sync so your work is saved to the cloud. Make sure to import the course syllabus onto the first page as a reference. This small step prevents lost deadlines and creates a consistent starting point for every class. Now focus on how you capture details. Tag sentences as important, question, or to do so you can filter later. While the lecture runs, record audio and type quick outlines. If you prefer handwriting, use ink and convert notes or use Math Assistant for equations. Once done, link related pages to build a study map and scan whiteboard photos. Onenote's OCR makes them searchable. Make sure to use tables for structured data and pin key pages to the top of a section for fast access. Finish by converting essential pages to PDF for hand-ins and exporting a backup copy to OneDrive or local storage. This protects against accidental edits. Share selective sections with classmates or teachers when collaborating and set edit or view permissions intentionally. For review, build a weekly summary page and use the tag summary to create revision lists. If you run into sync problems, sign out and back in, verify your account storage, and force a manual sync. This solves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.